Hey, what's up y'all? My name is Charlie and welcome to UTRY Cooking. I'm here today with...
Hi, I'm Dan. I'm the dietitian here at UTD.
So Dan, what are we cooking today?
Today we are going to be making a quick and easy dessert, bread pudding.
Nice, nice. All right Dan, so what are the ingredients that we're gonna need for today?
The ingredients are going to be Hawaiian buns. Now with the Hawaiian buns we want to cube them. So you can either do like 4 cubes or you can do it in 6 smaller ones.
Gotcha.
And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips in the mug as well.
Gotcha.
Here comes the fun part. Now we're gonna add other ingredients and here and mix. So first of all, we're gonna add an egg. So please crack an egg.
Gotcha.
Make sure we get all the shells out. If any shells went in there, we don't want to eat shells.
Of course. All right.
And then we'll do 2 tablespoons of sugar.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
Yep.
Got it.
Great. Now we'll take 1/3 cup milk and also put it in here.
Got it.
Perfect. Now 2 more steps. We're gonna take the vanilla and do 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon, gotcha.
So not a lot, but a little vanilla goes a lot of way with flavor.
Oh wait Dan, so what other stuff could you add to this?
You know, you could add, I would first make it like this, and then once it was cooked, I would then add different like fruits or stuff like that to make it a little bit more balanced. But it's supposed to be a sweet treat, so usually you don't want to add too much to it.
Gotcha.
And then lastly, we're just gonna do about 1/8, so half of that 1/4 of cinnamon, and then we're gonna give that a good mix.
Gotcha.
Perfect.
Right.
Now let's mix it.
Gotcha.
You just want to make sure all the ingredients are combined. That's pretty much it.
All right, so what's the next step?
Perfect, and then what we'll do is we'll slowly press down on our bread and our chocolate chips with that spoon, if you don't mind, because we want to make sure it's a little bit flatter.
Gotcha.
Because we're gonna have to put that liquid in there. Perfect, now we can add the egg mixture and make sure we coat everything and do a little bit more as well, pushing down. Make sure everything is coated. Perfect.
All right. And you said push down a bit?
Yep, just make sure everything gets coated, the egg mixture gets blended in with your bread.
Nice noises it's making.
Okay, so now that it's all mixed, our mixture, we are gonna put it in the microwave for about 1 minute and then check it.
Let's talk about anything. All right, okay. All right, Dan, so what you gonna grab for lunch after this?
I don't know, I'm thinking like Chipotle.
I was thinking that too, actually. I was planning on
And
Chipotle.
then with like a cold brew from Starbucks.
Nice, nice.
That does sound good. So now we're gonna give this a mixture. So I have a fork there for you, so we're gonna wanna mix that up because we need to make sure the eggs and everything get down in the bottom, and yep, that's perfect. That's perfect, yep.
Right.
Now we're gonna put it back in there for another 30 seconds, and it might need more time. We'll just have to play it by ear and see with our eyes. We wanna make sure everything gets cooked through. So
This is definitely gonna need more time than 30 seconds.
I'm going opposite directions. Here we are, and that is looking like bread pudding.
That's some pretty good looking bread pudding right there.
It's gonna be hot, so I would just give it some mixing and maybe just take a smaller bite.
Gotcha. That's pretty good, Dan. That's pretty good. Nice.
Good.
Thanks, Dan, for showing us how to make this delicious dessert.
Absolutely, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
If y'all want to make this at home, tag us at UTD Urec, and we'll see you next time when you try cooking.